What is dairy operating profit, and why does it matter? Dairy operating profit is one of the most important financial measures used in the dairy sector. The more profitable your farm business, the more opportunities to progress and achieve your goals. Dairy operating profit allows us to compare farm profitability between farms. It is similar to earnings before interest and tax. Dairy operating profit is gross farm revenue minus dairy operating expenses. But what exactly is included? To calculate operating profit, first look at cash income and farm working expenses. Both the income and expenses have some non-cash adjustments made to ensure that each farm can be accurately compared or benchmarked against another. An example of a non-cash adjustment is the value of change in dairy livestock. This can be a positive or negative adjustment. A positive adjustment would be a farm that has more stock at the end of the year than at the beginning of the year. A reason for this could be they purchased stock during the year, and if they did, this is a cash expense which makes the business look less profitable than other businesses that did not buy stock. Operating profit has 5 non-cash adjustments. These are the value of change in dairy livestock, labour, feed inventory, support or runoff block, and depreciation. To calculate operating profit, take the adjusted income, also known as gross farm revenue, and subtract the adjusted farm working expenses, now called dairy operating expenses. There are some expenses that dairy operating profit does not include. These are tax, interest, drawings, and capex. These are important expenses for every farm, but not used to compare farm profitability. Dairy operating profit is useful for comparing profitability between farms. To increase operating profit, you can either increase gross farm revenue, decrease operating expenses, or a combination of both. Gross farm revenue can be increased by increasing milk and/or stock revenue. Operating expenses can be decreased by assessing each expense item and identifying areas of waste or inefficiency. Operating profit is calculated for you by DairyBase, the dairy sector's benchmarking tool. For more information, contact your local DairyNZ consulting officer or DairyBase. To learn more about other key calculations which contribute to operating profit, watch our other videos.